Are you a real
Chief? Well, technically, nah.
Have you ever caught a good guy like a real
Cow?
Nah. Have you ever tried a disguise?
Nah.
All right. I can see that I will have to teach you how to be
Chief!
Now listen closely. Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. If you wanna be a
Chief!
#1, you have to chase a
Cow!
on the run. Just follow my moves and sneak around. Be careful not to make a sound. Shh. No, don't touch that. Now look at
Chief!
what I just found. When I say go, be ready to throw. Go! Throw it at,
Cow!
at me! Oh, let's try something else. Now watch and learn. Here's the deal. You slip and slide on this banana peel.